Hey, what is up guys? This is Habs, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be coming at you guys with an unboxing from thecubicle.us. Okay guys, so I know this is kind of weird because these aren't actually Rubik's Cubes, but so I bought a few fidget toys. These three are all fidget spinners. This one has 6 sides, these two have 3 sides. I ordered one in blue and one in red, and I also have this here fidget cube. So we're gonna see how these work in a few seconds. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to open is the fidget cube, just because I'm kind of least excited for this, but you know what, it may surprise me. So, I know a few people that have this. It even comes with a little pamphlet that has directions, I guess. And I know a few people that have this, and it is pretty cool, but let's see how it actually is. So it's actually way lighter than I expected. Here we have these little things that you can turn. You have this little, this is really dry. Oh, you can click this in too. This metal ball thingy. And then we got a joystick that you can just move around like a video game controller. And we have these buttons. These 3 click. This one, and this one. But these 2 don't click. So if you're trying to be quiet, it's pretty good. This one feels really nice. You can just spin it, and it feels really nice. This one just has like a groove where you can put your thumb, and then here's a switch where you can just switch back and forth. Okay, so now we are going to be going on to the thing that I'm second least favorite or least excited for, which is this fidget spinner. This is the red one with 3 sides, and it's kind of like gears, I guess. I don't know. But let's try it out. Oh, it's already spinning in there. Let's get this trash out of the way. And let's take out the fidget spinner. It feels really loose already. And yeah, let's turn it. Okay, so it feels really light, and it turns pretty well. Wow. And it's really quiet. It's really cool. Oh, that was a nice spin with one finger. And if you haven't ever had a fidget spinner before, it kind of like when you turn it like this, you feel like a gravitational pull sort of, because it's spinning so fast, and it gives you a cool feeling sort of. And I like the way the bearings look, the metal parts on the end of it, because it looks really cool when you spin it. So there's that spinner. So let's move on to the next one. The next least excited one, I guess, is this one, which is another 3 bearing spinner with 3 sides, and it's basically the same thing, it's just a different shape. So I'm going to open this one up, throw the trash to the side, take out the spinner. This one looks smaller in comparison, so that could be a pretty good difference. Yeah, look at the size compared to the other one. The red is just a lot bigger behind it, and I think, yeah, even the caps are smaller on this one. That's really weird. But anyways, let's do the first turn. Wow, that feels really light, and look how small it looks. Like, wait, let me do that. And then let me take one more fidget spinner and spin it. Look how much smaller it looks compared to the red one. It just looks like it's spinning so much smaller. but that's really cool. It's like really light. I wish you guys could feel it because it's so light. I'm not sure how long it'll actually spin if you tried it out like that. But like, that's pretty cool. So the next spinner we're going to be checking out is this big blue six-sided, six-bearing ball thing, fidget spinner. So I'm really excited for this one. I'm not sure how it's going to be. Hopefully good, but like, it feels pretty smooth. Feels pretty fast. Wow. This feels like a normal three-sided fidget spinner, but it's like a lot bigger, and I think it's just like easier to control, honestly. But like, it's pretty good. Like, you can spin it with one finger really easily, and you can kind of like do tricks with it, I guess. And you can just like leave it spinning there. It's just pretty cool. Okay guys, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to see which one can spin for the longest. And I'm going to put some music over this so you guys can kind of like listen to the music and watch while they're spinning and see which one can spin for the longest. So if you want to skip to the end, you can do that just to see which one wins. But anyways, let's get right into it.
I've seen you, I've patrolled these empty thoughts before, but I'm fixed now on the cure. I'm holding on to the last rock on the mountaintop, and I'm begging for your love. Do you remember the type of folk we used to be, and the simple souls we used to see? Do you remember a fallen man with no escape? It seems he lives in yesterday. If you played away, well, I forgive you once again. I'm losing patience, and I know for sure that we've been right here before. I see the dangers, baby, I'm not crying over you. There's no point denying we're through, 'cause baby, I'm not crying over you. There's just shit that I've gotta do, so I'm not crying. Just sleeps away at a meager forest break, and I'm quite sure, like a human chess piece I've been playing, you're coming back for more. Do you remember the type of folk we used to be, and the simple souls we used to see? Do you remember a fallen man with no escape? It seems he lives in yesterday. If you played away, well, I forgive you once again. I'm losing patience, and I know for sure that we've been right here before. I see the dangers, baby, I'm not crying over you. There's no point denying we're through, 'cause baby, I'm not crying over you. There's just shit that I've gotta do, so I'm not crying.